What's up, guys? It's Blaine here on BGTV. Thank you for tuning in. And I'm here to talk to you about a company that I am very passionate about. And they're right here in front of the screen, or on the screen rather. And the name of the company is Palantir Technologies. So Palantir is a data analytics and integration company. And it's very hard to describe exactly what they do. So I'm just going to quickly read an excerpt right here from their main website and invite you to do some research on your own because this is a company that could be very promising here in the future, could literally run the entire world. They have that capability. Just really, really high. Suggest you check this company out. So beginning here at Palantir, we build software that lets organizations integrate their data, their decisions, and their operations into one platform. Our software empowers entire organizations to answer complex questions quickly by bringing the right data to the people who need it and when they need it. I'm just going to add that. So I'm not actually here to talk about the company itself. I am a technical analyst, and I wanted to show you some thoughts I have concerning the direction of the stock price. So here on the screen, I have a daily chart of Palantir, and you can see all the way from the far left all the data we have from when the company first went public through a direct listing onto the stock exchange from September 30th. You can see they enjoyed a nice appreciation here, consolidated through the month of December, and kind of picked it up in the middle of July. Had a nice run for the bulls here. More consolidation going into February, and a steep sell-off, breaking market structure here. And you can see that there's some further bearish movement, really into consolidation, some more. And recently, at least 2 months ago, came to a seemingly low here and has been on a steady appreciation since then. And this was their earnings report where the stock sold off and has some better numbers than were expected. And you can see this nice reaction right here from $17 to 20. And since then, a very nice gradual appreciation in the share price. So Palantir, guys, I'm very pessimistic about the stock market at its current levels. I think it's a very expensive market, and therefore for me it's very hard to buy shares in the stock market. I actually prefer to invest more in the cryptocurrency market, but this stock here to me is worth the risk in looking to acquire shares because it's a very promising company, seemingly from the research that I have done. That's the conclusion I have come to. So the whole point of technical analysis is just to, depending on what direction you're going, I'm long, I'm forever long. You should always be long on the stock market. Never bet against the U.S. economy. So on the general direction is going to be bullish. So with my technical analysis here, I just highlight an area where I expect price to possibly revisit, where I would be looking to be a buyer of additional shares as much as I can really afford. I'm not a rich guy. I buy a few shares here and there, okay? So I'll zoom in here. We can see that this week was mostly bearish. I'm just going to zoom out, change the time frame rather, and just give you a larger overall picture of the stock. So we're here on the weekly chart, and we can see this week here ending July 2nd was very much bearish. You know, it completely engulfed last week's candle. So to me, we're gonna probably continue some bearish movement next week, and I've outlined this area here where I've deemed it to be a discounted area to buy beginning around maybe about $23 till about $21.50. So back to the daily chart where we can have a little more information here. And my anticipation, or because when you're in the market, you need to have a plan, what you're going to do and what you're not going to do, how you're going to react, this, and that. So I'm completely long on this stock. So all I'm looking for is opportunities to buy at discounted prices. And I've determined that this area is one of those prices. So this is the next area I'm going to be looking to buy. In terms of my buy history, I made my first purchase around $28 when we made it to this support area right here. It failed rather quickly over the course of about a week, and I had continued to buy around $25 as we got closer to this support area here, and then I've been buying in this range very much. But then I kind of anticipated that we would be, maybe see some kind of reverse direction going into earnings. So I've been buying into the range, but as we got closer to earnings, which was right here, I kind of eased off as it continued to sell off, and then I ended up buying in this area here. And then it's been going up. I've been buying 1 or 2 shares, going up, going up, going up. But again, I'm looking for the next opportunity to buy some more shares, and I figure it's going to be right here. Okay. So as of right now, guys, I have no credibility as a technical analyst in this in markets in general. But if you follow along and keep watching, I plan to do more videos on different markets, different stocks, equities, maybe forex, and just try and build some credibility, in analyzing these markets. So going forward, I'm going to be looking to buy Palantir beginning around $23 all the way to about 21.50, really about 22, 23 and 22. I'm looking to be a buyer of Palantir. I expect it to hold this price point in here and then continue, maybe look to get up above this high here. Continue maybe to about $30. About $30. That's a nice even psychological number where I might expect some kind of profit taking or some resistance or selling pressure, however you want to call it. So yes, guys, hope you found this video informative, and maybe I introduce you to a company that you're going to end up loving just as much as I do. And that might lead you to buying some shares on your own. So again, thank you guys. My name is Blaine. Thank you for tuning in here on BGTV, and have a wonderful day. Stick around for my next video or my next updates. Okay, guys, take care.